Alright, so we got a big snowstorm coming. It's snowing pretty hard already. You can see all the snow adding up. And just want everybody to be safe, do a safe activity, and not be out on the roads driving in this snow. So you could do something like we're doing and go swimming. Get through the storm, guys. Stay safe.
Holy, it doesn't have to be.
What do you do in Maine?
Harper, come here.
When you've got a foot of snow on the way and it's 20 degrees? Go swimming.
In an outside pool.
Next time you don't have your body out of water. I thought you said it was warmer.
Oh, dog! Oh, dog!
Come out wherever you are.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the winter, folks.
Turn it around.